Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting lined up for you. Let's jump right in. Few celestial phenomena capture the human imagination quite like the Red Bloom Eclipse Moon, often called a blood moon. This extraordinary event occurs when a total lunar eclipse transforms the moon's familiar silvery glow into a deep reddish hue. Its beauty is striking, its occurrence relatively rare, and its significance both scientific and culturally enormous. Observers worldwide have marveled at its spectral transformation. Scientists have studied it to understand atmospheric effects, and cultures throughout history have woven myths and legends around its appearance. In this article, we explore the Red Bloom Eclipse Moon in depth, covering its science, history, cultural significance, and modern relevance. Here are 10 interesting facts about a red bloom eclipse moon often associated with a blood moon during a lunar eclipse. 1. What is a red bloom eclipse moon? A red bloom eclipse moon is a total lunar eclipse during which the moon takes on a reddish or coppery hue. This happens when the Earth positions itself directly between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow across the lunar surface. Unlike solar eclipses, where looking directly at the sun can be dangerous, lunar eclipses are completely safe to observe, making them accessible to astronomers, casual sky watchers, and photographers alike. The term red bloom is poetic, evoking the way Earth's shadow seems to bloom over the moon, gradually transforming its usual pale appearance into something vibrant and mystical. The color can range from soft copper to deep blood red, depending on atmospheric conditions, which adds to the moon's enduring mystique. 2. The science behind the red hue. The reddish color of a red bloom moon is primarily due to Rayleigh scattering, the same phenomenon responsible for red and orange sunsets. As sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, shorter wavelengths blue and violet light scatter in all directions, leaving longer wavelengths red, orange, and yellow to pass through. This filtered sunlight bends around Earth and illuminates the moon with a reddish glow. Factors that influence the moon's color include atmospheric dust and pollution. More particles deepen the red hue. Volcanic activity. Large eruptions inject ash into the stratosphere, darkening the moon during totality. Humidity and cloud cover. Water droplets scatter sunlight differently, subtly altering the color. Scientists even use lunar eclipses to study Earth's atmosphere. By analyzing the moon's shade and intensity, researchers can estimate the concentration of dust, pollutants, and aerosols, a fascinating intersection of astronomy and environmental science. 3. Always a full moon. A lunar eclipse and therefore a red bloom moon only occurs during a full moon. This is when the moon is opposite the sun, with Earth directly in between, a precise alignment called syzygy. Because the moon's orbit is tilted about 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbital plane, most full moons pass slightly above or below Earth's shadow, so total eclipses are relatively rare. 4. Rare but predictable. Although lunar eclipses are scientifically predictable, a total eclipse is rare from any given location. On average, a total lunar eclipse is visible from the same spot roughly once every 2.5 years. Unlike solar eclipses, which require a narrow path of visibility, a red bloom moon can be observed from anywhere on Earth where it is nighttime, making it a truly global spectacle. 5. The variability of color. The red bloom moon does not always look the same. Its color can fluctuate widely depending on atmospheric conditions. Copper, a soft, metallic orange red under clear skies. Deep red, intensified by dust or volcanic ash. Brownish red or maroon occurs when heavy particles scatter sunlight more intensely. This variability has inspired poets, artists, and storytellers for centuries. It also provides a natural laboratory for studying Earth's atmosphere over time. 6. Safe to observe. Unlike solar eclipses, which can damage the eyes, watching a red bloom moon is completely safe. Telescopes or binoculars can enhance details, revealing lunar craters and shadows, but the naked eye is enough to enjoy the transformation. This accessibility has made the red bloom moon a favorite tool for public astronomy events and educational programs. 7. Duration of totality. The totality phase, the time when the moon is entirely within Earth's umbra, can last up to 1 hour and 40 minutes. Depending on the alignment and distance between Earth and the moon, including the partial phases before and after totality, the entire event can span several hours, giving observers ample time to watch the moon's gradual transformation. 8. Cultural and historical significance. Throughout history, the Red Bloom Moon has been imbued with mythical and spiritual significance. Ancient Mesopotamia considered a harbinger of conflict or upheaval. Native American traditions linked to cycles of renewal or spiritual insight. European folklore, sometimes associated with witches, vampires, or supernatural events. Despite superstitions, the phenomenon has inspired countless works of art, literature, and poetry. Even today, many see it as a moment for reflection or simply an opportunity to marvel at natural beauty. 9. Occurrence in tetrads. A tetrad is a series of 4 consecutive total lunar eclipses, each separated by about 6 months. Tetrads are rare, occurring only a few times per century. They offer unique opportunities to witness multiple red bloom moons in a short period, both for scientific study and public fascination. 10. Visibility across the Earth. Unlike solar eclipses, a red bloom moon can be observed from anywhere. It is nighttime, allowing billions of people to share the experience simultaneously. This global visibility fosters a sense of connection across cultures, a reminder that despite our differences, we share a common sky. 11. Modern scientific observations. Today, red bloom moons are valuable for research. Studying Earth's atmosphere, refracted sunlight reveals dust and pollution levels. Lunar surface observation. Reddish light highlights subtle features differently than sunlight. Instrument calibration. Observatories use eclipses to fine-tune telescopes and optical instruments. These observations show that even awe-inspiring phenomena can have practical scientific significance. 12. Tips for observing and photographing to make the most of a red bloom moon. Timing. Check local eclipse schedules for totality. Location. Choose a dark area with minimal light pollution. Equipment. Telescopes, binoculars, or cameras with tripods help capture details. Smartphones can also produce striking images. Patience. Watch the eclipse unfold gradually for the full experience. Photographers often create composite images showing the moon before, during, and after totality, capturing its dramatic transformation in one frame. 13. Future predictions. Astronomers have calculated lunar eclipses decades in advance, allowing sky watchers to plan for upcoming red bloom moons. Some future eclipses are expected to be particularly long, bright, or vividly red, offering exceptional opportunities for observation and study. Continued research may also reveal new insights into Earth's changing atmosphere and the moon's surface. Conclusion. The Red Bloom Eclipse Moon is a spectacular convergence of astronomy, atmospheric science, history, and culture. Its beauty lies not only in its vivid color, but also in the precise celestial alignment that creates it and the centuries of human fascination it has inspired. From scientific studies of Earth's atmosphere to myths and legends spanning continents, this phenomenon embodies the intersection of natural wonder and human curiosity. Witnessing a red bloom moon is an unforgettable experience, whether as a professional astronomer, a student, or someone who simply enjoys looking at the night sky. Its rarity, dramatic transformation, and cultural resonance make it one of the most enchanting celestial events observable from Earth, a moment when science and imagination meet under the red glow of the moon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Got questions or ideas? Drop them below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.